Welcome back to the Alibaba Success Guide, and in this video we are going to talk about placing your order using the online order form from Alibaba. Now you're going to want to make sure that before you start this process that you have discussed with the supplier and they should know what to expect from you. Now when you're placing an order, you should always use the online order form from Alibaba. If a supplier, for some reason, does not want to use this form, you should probably not use them. Using this form means that the trade assurance program will work for you in case there's a problem. And if there's a problem, or if you're scammed in any way, Alibaba would not have any recourse on your behalf if you don't use this form, so it's very important to use it. Now Alibaba, yes, they do get a fee when you're using their system, but the fee is going to be worth it for the added security. Now the unit price will not change in this form unless the supplier actually changes it. And if you want customization of some kind, you need to write it directly to the supplier in the form. And then make sure that you add in any customization in the terms section. And you're going to see that here on the order form. You're going to see the product, you're going to see the minimum order quantity, and obviously you can change this based on your conversation with your supplier. This will generally not change. The unit price is pretty much going to be the same unless you've negotiated something different with the supplier. And then you're going to see the price come right here and the subtotal. Now what you'll also see in this area is a place for you to write into your message for any customization that you're going to want and any other terms that you're going to want to do right in this area. You also want to make sure that if you're going to do that, that you put the very same information here inside of the terms area so that that information is there also. Now you're going to see your payment and you're going to see your payment methods, which we will be talking about in another video. When trade assurance is in place, you're going to see that in this box, and you do want to make sure, if possible, this is activated for your order. Now Alibaba is going to tell you at what point your order is complete at 100%, and when you do that, then you are going to be ready to proceed. Now once again, the most important part to this is that your supplier should be expecting this order. You should already have had a conversation with them. They should be looking for this form to come in on their side. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.